To mark the one-year anniversary of the Balakot anti-terror airstrikes, Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria flew a sortie in the MiG-21 of the 51 Squadron with two Mirage 2000s and Sukhoi 30 MKI at Srinagar Air Base today. This is the same unit that was activated following the Balakot airstrikes last year, and Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman was a part of it. Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria said that the 51 Squadron and Abhinandan demonstrated the spirit of the Air Force. They had no hesitation in engaging vastly superior aircraft in terms of technology and weapons. He said the Air Force is proud of them.
Today is the Balakot anniversary, so it was really to get back with the boys, to spend some time with them, fly a mission with them. And the MiG-29s were also there, but they were giving us AD support from externally. The Su-30s were there, represented, Mirages were there. And I decided to fly a MiG-21 along with 51 Squadron. And this in particular was to really differentiate and be with them, because they were the squadron. In spite of the technological gap, in spite of the vintage aircraft and the weapons that they were flying with, the spirit of training in Indian Air Force is such, and they demonstrated it to engage the enemy fighters, which were far ahead in technology and weapons.
In the early hours of February 26th last year, the Indian Air Force conducted precision strikes on terror training camps on Pakistani soil. This was in retaliation of a Pakistan-based terror group, Jaish-e-Mohammed's attack on Indian security forces, which led to the deaths of 40 Jawans. Earlier in the day, former IAF chief B.S. Dhanua, who headed the force when the strikes were planned, said that the operation was to be conducted in such a way that terror groups are aware that India would strike terror at its root. Translating from Hindi, he used the words, "will enter your house and strike." Dhanua noted that because of the robust action, no more terror attacks took place during the general elections last summer. He said Pakistan-based terror groups understood that India would respond even more devastatingly if any attack took place.